everyone, and welcome back to another video. So this is another Madam Glam one, and as you can see, I've got the box here, and this is for a new collection, and this is a collection of these are base gels. So this is an extra one for July. It comes out on the 15th of July, which will be today. Obviously I'm recording this earlier. So these are all sort of base coats, but they are coloured base coats, so you can use them as a base coat, or you could just, you know, use them as your colour and just put top coat over them. So I've got 3. So this is a smaller collection, so I've got 3 sent to me by Madam Glam. So the first one is called Thailand, and it's like a white. I can't see if there's any shimmer in that. I don't think there is in that one. We'll see, because we'll swatch them in a minute. And then I've got a pink one, and that's called India. So that's more of a pinky tone. So these are rubber base coats as well, so they're like sort of a bit thicker than your usual base coat. And then this one is called Amazon, and it's actually got glitter in it. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, it is beautiful. So I'm going to get the swatch sticks out now, and then we'll have a little look what they look like, and then see what we can do with them. So I'll see you in a minute. So this is it after one coat, and you can see how much coverage there is there. It is transparent or translucent, but it gives a really good coverage. So I think, and you can see from the side it is quite thick, I might just put another coat on. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just put a bit more on one half. Okay, so here it is, all top coated. So obviously I've put 2 coats on the right side and just 1 coat on the left side. Oh, it's gorgeous. I mean, if you know me, you'll know that I love my sort of milky whites anyway. So yeah, I love that. I mean, you could do milk bath nails with that, couldn't you? You could do sort of like opal nails with that. You could do it with matte top coat and make it really sort of opal-y. That would be really nice. So yeah, that is Thailand. So that's your white one. I love that. Okay, so here is India. So that is a very transparent pink. It's a lovely shade of pink. So if I just move my hand there, there's not much difference between the 1 coat and the 2 coats. It is very sheer, but it is a lovely colour. Okay, so here is Amazon. This is my favourite. It's absolutely beautiful. That shimmer, that glitter, and the colour shift as well. This has won me over. This definitely has won me over. I love this one. Hope you can see that colour in there. Is that better? Oh, it's so nice. So this was the only one that kind of looked glittery. I mean, I'm going to have to see other people's videos to see, you know, what the others are like, because I've only got these 3, but oh, these are so gorgeous. They really are. So you can obviously build a little bit with these, and you know, I would not hide that under a colour, definitely not. That would stand out on its own. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yeah, that is gorgeous. That'd look amazing as sort of over colours as well, I think. Yeah, definitely. Right, so here they are together. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So yeah, they are beautiful. Really nice. So I'm going to see what else I can do with them, and then I will see you in a bit. Okay, so I've got the practice hand now, and I'm just going to use the pink base gel first. That's the India one, and I'm just going to put that onto the nail bed of these nails, and I'm going to do that to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. I'm not using this like builder in a bottle because it is quite thick, so I'm just doing thin coats. So I'm going to do that on the nail bed. And then when I've done that, I'm going to go in with the Amazon one, but I will use the gel application brush just to clean up that smile line. This is a really good brush for doing that because it's super flat. So I want to be careful on this first coat that I make sure I don't go over too much on this on the nail bed area. So I'm going to speed this up now and get through all the other nails. And as you can see, that base coat, that pink one, it's a really pretty pink colour. It's really nice. So you could see that if you use quite a few coats of it, it'd look like, I suppose it'd look like the builder gel, wouldn't it? But it is quite a bit darker than that. So yeah, I've recently got some Madam Glam polygel, and the colour is Dahlia, and that is slightly darker, and I think this is a very similar colour to that. So if you was to, build it up, it might look like that. So I think you could do that. I think you could build them up and use them like builder in a bottle, but that's not strictly what they're for. Okay, so after they've all been cured and they've all been cleaned up and everything, I'm going to go in with the Amazon one, and that is the one with the glitter in it. So I'm going to go over the tip of the nail with this. And it's so, I can't explain how nice this is. I can't wait to use it on a different design because it's really, really nice. This Amazon one, I love it. So I'm going to put that on all of the nail tips. And again, I'm just curing it for 30 seconds each time when I've done that. And because I was neat with the smile line and I cleaned it up after the pink, it means that I don't really have to do that when I've put this Amazon one on, because I can see where I need to put it. Okay, so I've got the pink one, the India again, and I'm just going over that nail bed colour with another coat of this one. And again, that just gets cured for 30 seconds when I've finished with that. So just a little bit of news about me and about this channel while I'm on and I'm chatting to you. I was at college to do a nail course, and it was a year-long course, so it was my level 2 nail technology course. That's in the UK. So I've finished that now. I've passed all my exams and everything, so I am officially classed as a proper nail tech who can do acrylics. So there will be some acrylic designs coming up on my channel because I've got a bit more used to doing it now, and obviously I've done it on other people and things like that. So yeah, I'm going to carry on doing the videos. And yeah, that's something different. It was something that I found really difficult to do at first, but then, you know, just sitting there with a tutor and getting the hang of it really, really helps. So, I mean, I've always watched YouTube videos, but until you actually do it and you sit down with a person who actually knows what they're doing and who shows you what to do, it really is an eye-opener. So that was brilliant for me. I'm so glad I did it. It was very, very difficult because of COVID and everything. We had to actually work from home for quite a few months during the course, which obviously wasn't helping because you just had to work on yourself. But then we got back into college, got back into doing it on other people, and yeah, so we managed to get everything done that we needed to do. So I'm just going back in again on the nail tips with the Amazon again. And when you put the second coat of that Amazon on, it really does, that glitter and the colour shift really shows itself. It's gorgeous. It does look like there's a bit of a gap where some of it hasn't gone on, but it's just the way the hand is and the light. It's just the shadow of the finger behind it. So I'm getting Thailand, so this is the white one, and I'm just putting some of it on my palette, and then I'm just going to get another of the Madam Glam brushes. This is the detailer brush, and I'm just going to draw a line over, sort of over where those two gels meet. And I didn't want it to be a perfect line or anything because it's not, you're not using an opaque white. I am using, you know, this one that is like a milky white, so I wanted to put a line on of this, and then I do go in and put another coat of this on just to make the line a little bit thicker and a little bit stronger, and then I just paint it down, sort of as if you would if you were doing, you know, like an icicle nail. So these would look really good for that actually. These would look good as winter nails or Christmassy nails. So I just brushed that down a little bit into the Amazon colour. So then after I'd done this, I thought that I just wanted more of that Amazon because I love it so much. So I thought, right, I'm just going to brush it all over the entire nail now. I just couldn't help myself because that pink was looking a bit, it was looking lovely, but I thought it needed a little bit more. So I decided to put the Amazon on top and see what it looked like because I haven't tried it over the pink, so I didn't know what that would look like together. And I suppose this is what your real nail bed would look like with it on top. And I'm glad that I did it because it just turns out so shimmery and just really, really nice. So that again gets cured for 30 seconds in the lamp, and then if you were doing this on your own nails, you'd have quite a few coats to cover your nails now, so that would help build them up a little bit and make them stronger. And then when all that's been cured and I've finished with that, the nails are ready to be top coated. Don't need to be, they don't really need to be filed, but I did buff over mine just to make sure that that line that I did at the smile line wasn't, wasn't too bumpy. So here they are all buffed, so I'm just going to put the top coat on now so you can see that shimmer coming through. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love these colours. I'm so happy with the ones that I chose. I've not watched anyone else's videos yet. I think some of the videos have already come up on my YouTube this morning for some other people's who've already uploaded theirs, but I haven't had a peek, so I'm really interested to see what other people did with these. But I love them. I think they are a brilliant idea because, yeah, you could use them as base coat, or you could use it as a base coat and then put something over the top. You could just do some design work over the top, so you don't have to do a full coat of gel polish. And then if you decided to leave them the way they are, at least they've got some colour on them. So if you want to get these gels, they are on Madam Glam now, so from the 14th. I think I said the 15th earlier on in the video, but it's not, it's the 14th. And yes, you can go and get them. If you want 30% off, you can use my code, which is Sharon's Nails 30, and that will give you 30% off your order. So here they are all finished. I hope you love them as much as I do. And yeah, let me know if you bought these gels. Are you going to get them? And which one was your favourite? And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.